Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how I do a French braided version of the hybrid braid I showed in a video a few weeks ago. This is a great braid if you like a sleek look, a braid that does not look fuzzy as the day goes by, and the technique to make this braid is actually a little bit simpler than making a normal French braid. So stay tuned, find out how to make this braid on your own hair. I'm starting today with wet hair because I just washed my hair this morning. I'm going to start by taking a section of hair in the center, and we're going to split it in two. And then I take this side, split it in two, take the outmost section, cross it over to the other side. Now I take this side, split it in two, cross it over to the other side. Now I'm going to start adding in hair. So I like to tilt my head a little bit, let the hair kind of fall into my thumb, between my thumb and my finger right here. And now I'm going to split this section in two. So essentially it's the new hair I just gathered in plus a little bit of the original hair. Cross it to the other side. Same thing, just kind of add a little bit of hair. Split this section in two. Cross that outmost section to the other side. Add some hair. Split the section in two. And then cross this outmost section to the opposite side. You'll find that this is actually much easier to do than a French braid, so if you're having trouble with the French braid, try this. And if you can tell, this hand that's holding my hair is resting against my head, and I find that that helps keep my hair in place as I'm braiding. So I have this section, I split it in two, and I cross it over to the other side. Add in some hair, split it in two, cross it over to the other side. Add in hair, split it in two, cross it over. We're almost there. Add in hair, split it in two, cross it over. And if you keep your hand rested on your head, it will help. So I have the two, cross it over. And this is my last time. Adding in the remaining hair. There we go. Splitting it in two and crossing over. And now we're just going to finish with our hybrid braid. So we have the two sections. We split this one in two and we cross it over. We have two different sections. Split it in two, cross it over. The technique is just like a fishtail braid, but instead of taking a little tiny little section each time, you're actually taking half of the entire amount of hair on that one side. And I braid down till I have trouble reaching, and then I switch it around to over my shoulder. So here we go. So I have my two sections. Split this one in two, cross it over. And if you've seen my first video on how to do a hybrid braid, then you know this braid really, at least for me, has a tendency to look smooth and sleek all day long, which is a huge bonus. A fuzzy braid can be a little bit disappointing, you know, because you start out looking so smooth and sleek, and then as the day goes on it gets kind of fuzzy. Now sometimes that adds to the romantic appeal, you know, so that's always fun. Having that loose, romantic, soft look, that's always a plus in my opinion. But if you're going for a more sleek look, or you want to eliminate the extra fuzziness, then this is definitely a braid style you should try. So I have my two sections, split it in two, cross over. Two sections, Split this half in two, cross the outmost section over. You just split in two, cross over, all the way down to the end of your hair, or however long you want the tassel to be. I might let my tassel be about this length. I'm gonna tie it off, and we are done with this hairstyle. There you go, a French braided version of the hybrid braid. And I'm gonna leave it kind of tight today because I have wet hair and I just think that's gonna look the best. And then when my hair dries by tomorrow or the next day, the braid waves. Oh, the braid waves. So. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this braid. Let me know if you try it, and I'll look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye!